He is not afraid to take on the big companies. He has sued Ford, he has sued Merck, Bridgestone, Firestone.
Americans are getting the false sense of security that if I have 16-inch tires, that I'm fine. And that's wrong.
He's fearless, he's relentless.
He just was so gentle with me. He just walked me through, just held my hand through this very painful process.
He always overachieves the bar that he has set for himself. I believe he is definitely an overachiever in a very good way.
The work we do is impactful, and it changes things for the better. We are about preventing future injury and death, and I think the cases that we handle expose a bad company conduct or bad product. Essentially, exposing that prevents, we hope, a company doing that in the future.
Ken is unique among attorneys that I've worked with because as he pursues cases, he's always focused on the individuals, strategizing ways to best serve the needs of the client. He's a lawyer for people, not just for academic pursuit or for billable hours.
He gave us tremendous hope that we could get righted for a wrong. And I felt like he was doing all the right things. He was, which made me feel good. It was a very ethical fight. And he just was impassioned by not harming life.
When he took on the tobacco industry, there was a lot of work that he did to actually help teens stop smoking and curtail the advertising to young people so that they wouldn't start smoking. So it's not just the money results that he gets, it's also the actions that are taken as a result of his work.
Because he really cares. I think he's a very genuine person. He's one that listens to who you are, gets to know you as a person.
I so enjoyed him being on my side to fight with. He gave a spanking to the company, if that makes sense. Like, I think he really woke us up to what is lacking in our country about moral care.
Oftentimes, lawyers are in the best position to know about a bad product or a bad company conduct. And that's great for that case, for the settlement or verdict of that case. But it should be shared, I feel, to prevent future injury and death. And that's why we created the Legal News Network.
Each year, over 200,000 children are rushed to emergency rooms from playground-related injuries.
I think errors can be prevented by education, and further error and further problems can be prevented by further education. So the emphasis that Ken has on educating the consumer, for example, as part of his platform, I think goes a long way in terms of spreading knowledge that people may not otherwise have access to. And Ken is a very philanthropic individual. He has a lot of passion for things outside of law.
Whether he's committed to his children, his larger family, to his job, to building the business, to his athletic activities, the man doesn't do anything halfway. It is full throttle, 100% commitment.
Moll Law Group is designed to raise the bar. It can't be about just money. It has to be providing a service for people that were taken advantage of or injured or in a difficult position.
You can find a lot of tenacious people in the world, but I don't know if you can find a lot of compassion. And he was so caring and compassionate when we needed it the most.